Hello guys, hope you all good. In this class we will let you know concept of percentage, rate and base with example. So stay connected with us till the end. Percentage. The result obtained when a number is multiplied by a percent. Symbol used for percentage is rate. It is ratio of amount to the base, generally written as percent. Base. The amount you are taking a percent of. In find the percentage rate and the base, this triangle will help you to generate the formula. Where percentage equals rate times base. Rate equals percentage divides by base. Base equals percentage divides by rate. Let's solve three different problems to clear the concept further. Problem 1. What is 18% of 400? Here we need to find percentage. Solution. 18% means 18 out of 100. So, we can set up the equation. X equals 18 divides by 100 and multiply by 400. Cancel out the zeros like this. We get x equals 18 times 4. So the final answer is 72. Next, 32 is 8% of what number? Let the number be x. We know that 8% of x equals 32. Rearrange the values in order to get x. So, x equals 32 multiply by 100 and divides by 8. Simplify it, we get x equals 4 times 100. Hence the final answer is 400. Next, 40% of what number is 28? Let's find the base. Solution. 40 upon 100 multiply x equals 28. Rearrange the values in order to get x. X equals 28 multiply 100 and divides by 40. Simplify it, hence the final answer is 80. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Keep watching the channel for more learning.